name is Timba Heat. Happy New Year's to everybody. Let's start off the year with a bang, shall we? In this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Media Luna. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with Somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Media Luna. Let's do the first half of Somotuno slowly. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. But on this 3, you're simultaneously going to be stepping with that left leg and starting doing a half moon or a crescent with that right foot. So 3, 4. Bring it all the way back to 5 and land it on 5. Forward 6. Feet together, 7, and then Somotuno. 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. Let's try it again, nice and slow. Here we go. Media Luna. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me on the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this move is honestly making sure you land that 3 and open on 3 at the same time. Watch, nice and slow. If I go 1, 2 right here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's going to make it much easier for me to do that open. Also, the hands play a role with it because I'm going to make the open here much more dramatic by opening my hands with it. So I just open up, and then 5, 6, 7, and then back to neutral. All right, so let's try some hot time music, and then we do that full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, Media Luna. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. 1, 2, 3, 5, una más. Here we go, Media Luna, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, one more time, Media Luna, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Happy New Year's y hasta la próxima.